Welcome back, YouTube and molders out there. This is Dave Lucas with Injection Molding Skills and More. So today we're going to do something that's totally different. It's brand new. I just want to throw it out there, see how you guys like it. If you like this, I will do one every week, okay, going forward. So let's start off with the 4 variables that you have, okay? So think about it, 4 variables. Heat, pressure, flow, cooling. That is your 4 variables, okay? So I came up with something whenever I was troubleshooting to help me out. So I made this up. It's called the 3 M's, okay? So let's say you've been running a press and it's been running for 8 hours, no issues whatsoever. The night shift comes in, let's say you don't have climate control or anything, something happens. The first thing you want to check would be your mold. Make sure it's clean or whatever. The next thing you'd want to check is your material. Make sure it's dry if you're drying material and stuff. The last thing you'd want to check would be your machine side. So what I did is I put something together that tells you all the things you could do on the machine side, the mold side, and the material side. So think about it, the 3 M's. And what I'll do is this new series is going to be called Troubleshooting, okay? So every one of these up here, there's probably a bunch more too, like jetting, a bunch of other ones. I just didn't add them up here. So short shot, flash, burn marks, sink marks, bubbles, voids, jetting, gate blush, you name it. I will have in a PowerPoint presentation, I'm going to show you guys how to fix those problems with these 3 M's. Machine side, mold side, and material side, okay? So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Watch until the end. Let me know what you guys think. Welcome back, YouTube and molders out there. This is Dave Lucas with Injection Molding Skills and More. So today we're going to go over troubleshooting, okay? So this is something new that I put together that I wanted to go over with you guys to have you guys learn some new skills as far as troubleshooting skills, okay? So I put this in a PowerPoint presentation. What I was planning on doing is doing each one of these like this, okay? So the first one that I'm going to be doing is called sink marks, okay? Sink marks are defects of the surface of the mold. They appear as depressions and typically appear at thick sections of the mold, okay? The root cause is usually shrinkage of the PP or polypropylene material during the crystallization process, okay? So if you look on here, you can see on the left right there, you can see where the rib is in the middle, it's sunk, okay? The next one, if you look at it, you can see up there at the very top at the right, it's got a sink mark at the very top, and then the other one's got one right there at right here at this area. So possible causes for this excessive shrinkage can be insufficient injection pressure, insufficient dwell hold time, insufficient amount of material, insufficient cooling or injection time, excessive high injection speed, melt or mold temperature too high, poor part design, non-uniform walls, and or excessive wall thickness, okay? Improper gate location or design. So how I broke this down is it's going to go over and just going to show you, like everybody knows the 4 variables, okay? Your 4 variables are what? Heat, pressure, flow, cooling, okay? So I made this up that shows what are the 3 troubleshooting areas you go into. So I broke it down like this. The first one is the machine side. So these are possible fixes that you could use to actually fix a sink mark, okay? So the first one is increase cushion by increasing shot size, decrease injection rate, or adjust to a slower profile, increase pack or hold pressure, increase injection pressure, fill pressure high limit, injection screw back pressure, inject or increase screw back pressure. That's what I meant to say. I got a little excited there. Increase back pack and hold times, increase injection rate, or adjust it to a faster profile. Increase nozzle orifice size if possible to one size under tool size. So the size of the sprue bushing on the back, always go one size below that for your nozzle tip. Increase barrel temperature, decrease barrel temperature, increase cooling time, check for screw tip and barrel wear corrosion, decrease mold surface temperature, okay? So remember, these are what you can do on the machine side, so on the processing side, okay? So the next one is your material. So what you do is you check material for moisture or dry, use higher melt index, okay? So you think about that too. The next one would be the mold side. So think about it. The 3 M's is what I call it, okay? Machine, material, mold. Think about that. So on the mold side, this is what you'd check. Decrease mold temperature, check for balanced melt flow on multiple cavity tool, clean, add, or enlarge vents. Check water flow thoroughly or through mold for blockage that might create a hot spot. Increase gate size or runner size, okay? So think about that. It's a little bit out there. So remember, these are the things that you could do that would actually help your sink marks. So that is it on this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it was informative. If you have to, scroll back in the video, re-look at it again. Remember, you have your 4 variables. This is called the 3 M's. I made this up myself because whenever you go to a press, what are you looking for? The majority of the time, if the process has been running for a while, guys, the material, it's usually material or water on the outside of the press that's actually added. Something went wrong there. Or it could be the mold. You know, it got dirty, the vents got clogged or whatever. The last thing you want to dig into is the machine side, the process. So think about it. Machine, material, mold. The 3 M's. Okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope it was informative to let you guys know how to fix sink marks. If you do like this video, comment down below and let me know what you guys think. I'm going to do this is going to be a new series called Troubleshooting. So I'm going to try to do one every week, at least one a week. That way it builds up a little bit, okay? So please like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, peace.